How to create a one product Shopify store. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can create a one product Shopify store. So let's get into it. Now, to get started, we are going to be using AliExpress as our primary tool. You can actually search for dropshipping, AliExpress, or Alibaba. But if you are not looking for a bulk scale as of yet, you can go with AliExpress dropshipping and you can find a few different amazing products out there. And let's say for us, it's going to be this kind of silicone wheat head scrubber, whatever. So I'm just going to paste that over here. And this is like the shower scrubber that you can probably find a lot on TikTok right now. It's super popular right now. So we're going to be drop shipping this product. And for that, I want to build a storefront because I will promote this on social media. However, I still do require a storefront. So we're going to be building a one product storefront. Now for this, I'm going to go into product first and click on add product. Once I do that, I'm going to name my product scalp scrubber or the best scalp, or I'm just going to name it scalp scrubber. And then we can add a description. And in this, you can use AI-based descriptions as well. Organic silicone, good for hair health, improves scalp health, reduces dandruff, silicone scrubber, like this. And then I'm just going to click on generate for this to generate a description for us. And after that, you're going to click on upload new and upload your media. So I'm going to go into my uploads over here and I'm going to be using these images and I'll just click on upload and start uploading them. On the right, you have the status of the product and then you have your product categories. All of that is unnecessary when you only have one product. Below that, you're going to set your price and then you can add your quantity that you have available. Below that, you can add the physical options and then the variants. Now, I'm going to be adding variants because I have this in blue, green, skin, and pink. So I will click on option and then name it color. And I will have it in pink, blue, green, and then brown or skin. And then after that, I am going to set the prices and the quantities available for all of those variants like this. You can add those and then just click on save. Now, once you have clicked on save, you can also set a individual image for the variant as well. So you can click on the pink one over here and then upload the pink image for that one, then go for the blue one and set the one with the blue one over here. But I don't have images for all of them, so I'm just gonna leave the variant images for now because I'll show you guys how to add the color picker where a color swatch would be present and set up the variant name options. So now what you're going to do is you're going to go into online store on the left and we're going to be using the Sense theme. So by default, you will have the Dawn theme applied, but I have clicked on the Sense theme and just click on add. This will add it to the theme library on your Shopify store and then just click on customize. Once you click on customize from here, you can get started with building your store. So first off, I'm going to click on the announcement bar and then I'm just going to delete that. Then we have the logo or the store name. Now I want this to be a simple header. So from the left, I'm going to make this a non-sticky header. Then I have the main menu and after that, we have the top center as the location of the name of our store. Then you have the color scheme. If you want to customize this, just click on the color scheme and then you can click on change and then change that as well. And then if you want to even change the colors present within the pre-existing schemes, click on edit to edit the color like this. So if I want this to be a light pink color, I can choose this. And then after that, we have the background gradient as well. We can choose that as well. But once we have completed that, we can head on over to the theme settings. And in the theme settings, you have your logo options. So it's either going to say my store if you haven't set a logo. However, because you want this to be super professional, I would recommend you create a logo if you don't have one already. I'll go into my theme settings and click on select image. And then I have this image already that I have created for my Shopify logo. Now, once you have uploaded your logo, you're going to go into the second section. And then once you click on the second section, you're going to go ahead and in the heading, you are going to replace it with the best product for scalp health, like this. And then you can choose the heading size to be smaller. And then after that, we have a shop now button. You're going to click on that and change it to buy now. And instead of it leading to all your products where you only have one product, you're going to click on products and you're going to select scalp scrubber. So this buy now button will directly lead people to the cart button of your scalp scrubber or your specific product. Then click on the entire banner, and then from here click on select image and choose a banner image you want of your scalp scrubber, or of your product. So I will use this image over here. Now this is the size of this particular header. If I want to reduce it, we can also reduce the size of our headers as well. So we have the bottom margin, we have the top padding, we have the bottom padding. We can reduce that to move our headers up a little. And then after that, I'm going to go into our banner section. I think the banner looks pretty much okay. And below that, you have your featured products. Now, I don't want this to have a featured collection section, so I'm just going to delete that. And then I will just click on add section. And then I'm just going to add featured product instead of products. And then we're going to click on our product and click on select product. And we're going to select our individual product. Click on select over here, and then this will display a checkout button for our product. Now, this is one page. This is our home page. However, you have a catalog page. So click on your home page on the top and then click on collections. And then you have your default collection that is set up, and you're going to remove any of your existing product, any of the pre-existing products. So if I go into the catalog page or the collections page, I will have to rename this in my dashboard. So for now, we're going to click on save on the top right and click on exit. Now go into pages on the left on your dashboard and go into navigation under online store, and you have your menu items. Click on the main menu over here, and then you're going to click on edit on catalog, and instead you're going to add scalp scrubber. And then it will just display your product and click on scalp scrubber. Now, one thing I like to add is actually a color swatch for our product. So I'm going to go ahead and go into our online store. And if I show you guys what it looks like currently, this is the current look of our store. So this is what the store currently looks like. It leads directly to the scalp scrubber. If I click on the buy now button, it would lead me again to the scalp scrubber. The main menu has the scalp scrubber as well. And then we have the pink, blue, green, and skin. Now, if you want to display colors instead of these text, you can download the Glow color swatch application. You can go into settings, go into apps and sales channels, open up the Shopify app store, and download that application. Once you download this Glow color swatch application, you're going to open it up and you're going to click on color or custom swatch, and then you're going to click on configure. Once you click on configure, you can set up the colors. So just click on sync now, so it can sync the data present within your Shopify store. And once it has synced the data, you're going to click on configure and it will show you the colors that it has. So we're going to select a pink color. Now you can use the hex codes that are present within your product. I'm going to just be doing a rough estimate of what the product color is, and I'll be using those colors like this, and I'll change the green one a little as well. I'll go into green and make it a super nice light green. And then once I've done that, just click on save. And once you have done this, you are going to go on ahead and view your Shopify store. And now you're going to have a more elevated version of your Shopify store. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to get started with creating your own one product Shopify store. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any questions or queries, leave those in the comment box down below. I would love to know what you guys have to say.